Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals by taking online surveys. Explore top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, utilizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Adopt best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Be wary of warning signs indicating potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees or requests for private information. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, typically taking just 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your input and pay individuals to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.